Hey there, welcome. If your keyboard isn't working properly on Windows 10 or 11, don't worry. This quick tutorial will help you fix it using the built-in keyboard troubleshooter. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu, then type Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar and hit Enter. In the Troubleshoot Settings window, click on Other Troubleshooters if you're on Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, click Additional Troubleshooters instead. Now scroll down until you find the keyboard option. Click the Run button next to it. Windows will now start detecting any issues related to your keyboard. If any problems are found, the troubleshooter will suggest solutions automatically. Just follow the on-screen steps. Sometimes it might ask you to restart your PC or reinstall a driver. Just do whatever it recommends. Once it's done, test your keyboard again to see if the issue is gone. If it's still not working, you might want to try updating your keyboard driver manually. It's super simple, just follow along with what I am doing right here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you and subscribe for more quick tech tips.